Welcome to our second vlog. We are at the Golden Gate Park on our way to the Conservatory of Flowers.
Exactly.
And, yep.
So what do you think?
It's very hot in here, but it's so pretty. I love it. So these plants, when there's like something slippery on the inside, so when insects go inside, they like slip and fall in there, and then the plant eats them.
Wow. We out here, still at the park. Look at this squirrel. Look, babe. We made it all the way to Japan.
So we were walking, and we found a waterfall. And we're about to head to it. We are walking a giant steep hill, stairs I mean.
All the way. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, this is a pretty cute area.
Here she comes. All the way up the stairs. We are so high up, the camera does not do it justice. What do you think so far? Halfway up? Or a lot more than halfway up. I think we're all the way up. You know, just chilling at the waterfall.
We're taking a quick stop because there's more to go up, right?
Yeah.
I'm tired. We made it to the top of the waterfall and it's very pretty. There's the whole view of the city.
We're literally at the top. And you can see everything in San Francisco here. And we've never been here. This is sick.
I was gonna say something,
Thank you.
but right there.
Oh, you
You
can.
can see the bridge. There, that's the bridge.
You have anything to say about that?
You're really close to my face. Yeah.
Whoa! Alright, we're literally walking down this trail. We didn't even intend to hike today,
Yeah, we didn't.
but this is what happened, even though she's all in makeup and I'm just in regular clothes.
And I'm wearing like jeans. Like we're not dressed with clothes.
But it was sick. We saw the whole city, or a lot of the city, I guess. We saw a waterfall, we saw flowers and plants, and you guys got some sick montages. Yeah, we'll probably film more stuff, but
Pretty day.
it's pretty sweet. Hey, what's up everybody watching, all of you. We didn't end it yesterday, so sorry, we're ending it now. Peace out, thanks for watching our vlog.
Make sure to like and subscribe.